Welcome to the Meta Ad Creative Hack. I'm so excited that you're here because this new technique I'm about to show you will help you reduce your ad costs, increase conversions, and get stable ads performance. Now, the Meta Ad Creative Hack is all about beating Advantage Plus so you can get more sales with lower ad spend. So, for instance, most advertisers now are affected by the creative fog. If you advertise on Facebook, you are likely affected. So, what is the creative fog and how is it affecting advertisers? We'll get to know that in a minute, but first, you should know that if you're affected, you could be paying as much as 5 times more per click and you'll be getting fewer sales or conversions. For real, the problem is that when you are setting up your ads, you're taken to a page that looks pretty much like this, where you are forced to use Advantage Plus. Facebook has stripped away your ability to define your target audience and they've replaced it with Advantage Plus. Now, most accounts are now being forced to use the dreaded audience expansion, which is notorious for showing ads to the wrong audience. And switching from Advantage Plus to original audience options won't fix this problem. If you're wondering why, that's because Meta has changed the way they deliver ads from interest and demographic targeting to what is now known as the interest graph. Now, if you don't know what that is, the interest graph is the base algorithm that was introduced by TikTok a few years ago. The way it works is that it shows content to people based on what they are currently interested in rather than just the accounts they follow. So, Meta currently uses the interest graph as its primary system for ad distribution. As of the time of this writing, Facebook no longer relies on your targeting selections to find your customers. It's now 100% your ad creative, the image or the video, the words, and the engagement. So basically, the algorithm tries to understand your ad creative and decide who to show it to, and then optimize the process with feedback from data. So if you're doing the right thing, your ads should get to the right people without you ever having to bother about targeting. This sounds pretty good on paper, but in reality, the problem is that most advertisers don't know how to make ads for the algorithm. Now, pay attention. If you miss this step, your ads will sputter and stop like a car's engine when it's out of fuel. Now, you see, making ads for the algorithm is much like search engine optimization. Imagine having to write for search engines and the reader at the same time. It's a tough task. So I thought Facebook was making things difficult for advertisers until I got access to some trade secrets which I'm about to reveal to you. The truth is that interest and demographic system of targeting is dying. This style of targeting was once the holy grail of marketing. And many of us who were early users made millions riding on its back. But with the increase in market sophistication and the aging of users, they finally figured that interest targeting could no longer satisfy advertising demand. Demographic targeting was also very unreliable. Can you imagine how many fake CEOs we have on the Blue app? So Meta Ads needed a more dynamic system to target people based on their current needs and growing interest. That was the only way to enhance results. So they made a hard but urgently needed switch to automate targeting using the interest graphs AI. Unfortunately, it has not been going well for most advertisers. Now, here's what The Verge had to say. Meta set it and forget it AI ad tools are misfiring and blowing through cash. And now here's why this is happening. To get results, you need two things. The first one is creative targeting. You need creatives that help Facebook's AI to target the right audience. If your ad gets shown to the wrong audience, of course, you know it's not going to convert. And the second thing is the feedback loop. Now, the machine learning tool doesn't optimize overnight. You need to feed it with the right data. This can be expensive if you don't know how to do it. Now, most advertisers either don't know how to make creatives for the algorithm or simply don't know how to feed the machine on a dime's budget. Either way, their ads get shown to the wrong people, they get a bunch of unqualified visitors and leads, and then wonder why they never convert. even on sales pages and e-commerce pages, product pages that were converting before. Listen, my friend, you don't have a copywriting problem. There's likely nothing wrong with your website. What you have is a quality traffic problem. I suffered inexplicable difficulty because of this. Failed product launches, disappointing clients, and lots more until I was able to get to the root of the matter. It took me many hours of research, getting insider secrets from my exclusive network, and a ton of money on ad tests to finally figure out a solution. I've now sifted through all the paid courses, taken the best lessons from my own ad test, and all the secret information I gathered and condensed them into a video course titled The Meta Ad Creative Hack. And listen to me, you should never run another ad on Facebook without first devouring the contents of this course at least twice. It will place in your palms a working model for creating ads that work. And it doesn't matter whether you are advertising an e-commerce store, an information product, a new software as a service software, a conference or a seminar, a high-ticket service, etc. This model will work for you. When you apply the lessons inside, you can finally unleash the power of Facebook's targeting AI to pull crazy amounts of money from your promotions with ease. You will enjoy 2 to 5 times lower cost for ads, more sales with the same ad spend. You will save time by copying my new ad creation framework, and you'll be able to get fast sales in almost any niche. And if you choose to ignore this, you'll continue to pay higher CPMs and higher CPCs. You'll struggle to break even. You'll battle with the crappiest leads ever and hopelessly continue blaming your copy of funnels. Now, come with me. Let me show you just a fraction of what is inside. You're going to see the 4 ad copy amplifiers for turning your campaigns from ads to a movement so you can get tons of likes, shares, and sales from free traffic. You're going to see how using the awareness pyramid to craft super compelling ad copy that helps the algorithm target the right prospects and bring sales. You're going to see why you should switch to this new recommended campaign setup structure that nobody is talking about, that helps your ads optimize 10 times faster. You're going to discover what copy key is and how to use it to train Facebook's machine learning AI without wasting money on ads. You're going to get a peek into the ad account of 8-figure online businesses and how they are setting up your ads right now. You're also going to learn how you can use backwards positioning to outsell any competitor in a crowded market by thinking from bottom up, and lots more. Now, these are the same secrets that are used by legendary marketers like Ryan Dice, Billy Jean, and Frank Kern. As you can see, this material is packed full with the lessons that you need to sell tons of your product and bury your competitors 50 feet under debt, which is why you should be willing to pay a worthy price for it. It's not fair to get these kind of ammunitions for less than it's worth. In a fair world, wouldn't you be willing to pay $997 for a product that could help add $1 million to your bottom line in 1 year? Yes, of course. But the world isn't fair, so I'm not going to ask you for $997. In fact, I have a special offer that will most likely surprise you. So I want you to click the button that's around this video to get access to your special offer. And to thank you, I will even add some sizzling hot bonuses. Bonus 1, $50 million ads swipe file. This is a compilation of some of the most successful ads in modern history, covering every niche imaginable, so you can find some inspiration instead of staring at a blank screen when you want to create ads. Bonus offer 2, offer optimization checklist. Just so you know, fewer things will have as much of an impact on your conversions as your offer. This will give you 20 different ways to enhance your offer for better results. And bonus 3, we have the landing page optimization checklist. Here you get my 15-point checklist to guarantee that all your opt-in pages, sales, and landing pages are optimized for conversions, so you can make more sales without increasing your ad budget. And the 4th bonus is my Info Business Masterclass. Here you get my 9-step action plan for getting paid for what you know. Inside, you'll discover how a 27-minute video generates over $130,000 per year income in a few simple steps anyone can follow. The 5th bonus is my 1-day Meta Ads power testing framework. Everyone tells you to test your ads, but no one shows you what and how to test. This strategy reveals a simple 24-hour ads test that you can do with less than $30. Now, these are 5 sizzling hot bonuses with a combined value of nearly $1,000, all yours to claim for free when you take action today. So click the button below and take action now.